This is Easy British English Practice, and we help you to be more confident when speaking English. Today's simple lesson is easy and lots of fun. Here is how the lesson will work. First, we will listen to a conversation with subtitles in English. Second, we will test our listening skills and answer some quiz questions about the conversation. Third, we will explain the meaning of some of the most important words and expressions from the conversation. Fourth, we will practice pronunciation and speaking with a technique called shadowing. Don't worry, we will explain it later. So, let's get ready to learn some English. Part 1. Listen to the conversation.
Hello, hi. How are you?
Oh, hello. I'm very well, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks. It's very busy here today. What's your name?
My name is Sophie. What's your name?
I'm Oliver, but my friends call me Ollie. Nice to meet you, Sophie.
Nice to meet you too. So, tell me about yourself, Oliver. Where are you from?
Well, I'm from Manchester. It is a big city in the north. And you? Where are you from?
I'm from London, the capital city of England.
Oh, nice. Where do you live exactly?
I live in a small flat near the park. It is very quiet. What do you do, Oliver?
I'm an English teacher. I work at a school with kids.
A teacher? That's fantastic. Well, I work in an office and, it's a bit boring sometimes.
Oh, I understand. And what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to read books and I like to do exercise at the gym. What about you? What do you like to do?
I like playing football and I like to cook. I love making Italian food like pasta or pizza.
Oh, I love pasta. It's delicious.
Me too.
And how old are you, Oliver?
Well, it was my birthday last week, so now I'm 29 years old. How old are you, Sophie?
Happy birthday for last week. I'm 28 years old. I will be 29 in 3 months.
Well, I need to go now, Sophie. It was really nice to meet you.
Yes, it was lovely talking to you. Have a nice day, Oliver.
You too. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, ready? Here comes part 2. We are going to answer some questions about the conversation you just heard. Question 1. What is the woman's name? Is it A. Sandra, B. Katie, C. Sophie, or D. Oliver? That's right. Her name is Sophie. Question 2. Where is Sophie from? Is it A. Manchester, B. London, C. Cardiff, or D. Bristol? Excellent. Yes, she's from London. Okay, question 3. What is Oliver's job? Is it A. Policeman, B. Teacher, C. Office worker, or D. Waiter? Great job. The answer is B. Teacher. Question 4. Does Sophie like her job? No, she doesn't. She thinks it's boring. This is the last question. Ready? How old is Oliver? Is he A. 27, B. 30, C. 28, or D. 29? He is 29 years old. All right, that's part 2 finished. Let us know in the comments how many you got right. And while you are there, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us a lot. Today we are learning about something called contractions. Contractions are a way to make your English sound more natural and friendly. But wait, what exactly are contractions? Contractions are where we take two words and push them together to make one word. This is something very common in English. It is useful in informal conversations. For example, talking with your friends. Let me show you some examples. Do not becomes don't. That is becomes that's. The apostrophe in a contraction is used to replace letters. In don't, the apostrophe replaces the letter O. In that's, the apostrophe replaces the letter I. But be careful. Sometimes we use an apostrophe to show ownership. For example, Sophie's job is boring. The apostrophe here shows us that the job we are talking about is Sophie's. It is not a contraction. Now, in the video, we have had 5 contractions. See if you can find them all and see if you know which letters the apostrophe replaces in each contraction. Pause the video here and let us know in the comments. Okay, now we are going to practice some speaking with a method called shadowing. It's super simple. All you need to do is repeat what you hear. It is very important that we speak clearly and confidently. Try to copy the exact way you hear them talk. This way, your English speaking skills will improve lots. Okay, first you will hear a part of the conversation and then there will be a pause for you to try. Ready? Let's go.
Hello, hi. How are you?
Oh, hello. I'm very well, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks. It's very busy here today. What's your name?
My name is Sophie. What's your name?
I'm Oliver, but my friends call me Ollie. Nice to meet you, Sophie.
Nice to meet you too. So, tell me about yourself, Oliver. Where are you from?
Well, I'm from Manchester. It is a big city in the north. And you? Where are you from?
Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's class. Please leave a comment below, tell us about yourself, and try to use contractions. We love reading your comments and seeing you learning. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share this video with your friends if it has been helpful. Let's help everyone learn English in a fun way. You're doing a great job, guys. See you in the next video.